Welcome to the video. Welcome to the video. Tim Thomas here. Great things are happening. Back out here at the local Ruby Tuesdays. And I could not be more excited about what we've got going on. I felt compelled to put the camera on. And guess what, folks? Tomorrow is my birthday. As I shoot the video. And I just wanted to talk to you for a few minutes. Ruby Tuesdays was so good. The crowd, the gang wanted to go back out to go to Ruby Tuesdays again from the other week. So as some of the family members are gathering together, I felt compelled. We're waiting on one more party, one more person to get here. I wanted to just turn on the camera for a second and talk to you about financial freedom, the path forward, and what we're able to do. Before we start the video, go and like this video, hit the like button, tap out the notification bell, and subscribe to the channel. This channel is about money making opportunities and ways to exponentially grow your income. Great things are happening. We're out here. There's a local Liberty gas station, if you can see that. Shameless plug for Liberty. Great things are happening. So we're having a blast. I want to talk about financial freedom. Before I go into Ruby Tuesdays here, it was phenomenal last time. We're going to talk about two postcard programs, It's Your Decision and the MAP postcard, and financial freedom. Going where you want to go, doing what you want to do, staying as long as you want to stay. Folks, this is what financial freedom is and what it looks like. Never having to worry about another day off or vacation or reporting, trading your time for money, but you're allowing systems of leverage to work for you 24 hours a day. We've got a system, folks, that is a must-join program, and it is phenomenal. I'm telling you what, people are joining this thing left and right. I've been so busy, I haven't really had a chance to put up a whole lot more proof videos on the MAP program, but I want to welcome Jason. I want to welcome Ralph, Cynthia, all of you that joined the last 3 or 4 days in the MAP program. I want to welcome several of you to the It's Your Decision, whoever you joined. And I apologize, guys, if I didn't call all your name. I know Rodney Scott has partnered in the program. Daniel joined. Christina joined. And just so many great friends of ours are looking at the opportunities that we have. Folks, we have a financial lifeline here with these programs. Look at this program, folks. And I've got a box of postcards. I've got a box over there of postcards ready to go out. Ready to go out for the MAP program. That thing is powerful, folks, and we're going to talk about it in just a second. Before we're going to go there, I want to talk about It's Your Decision. It's Your Decision.net. Folks, look at this guy looking at the postcard, looking up. This will be a good problem to have. This postcard is a game changer. Greg Bethea has done it again. And let me tell you what, folks, we've got a back-end program that is attached to this program. When you get your marketing kit, we're going to show you how to get in the back end. And you're going to be able to get free gas and free groceries. Folks, a game changer. And leverage. Folks, leverage. If you get anything from this video, pick up leverage. This system has leverage unlike anything I've seen in a while. I mean, leverage will cause your income to grow exponentially. We have a system here that when you bring on team members, you're going to get 1,000 postcards. And folks, check that out. 1,000 postcards. And your sponsors sitting in number 2, they're going to be in on another 1,000 postcards. Now watch this. When you bring a team member in, folks, this is powerful. Don't miss this program. Join today. When you bring a team member in, It's Your Decision.net, folks, they're going to get 1,000 postcards. They're going to get 1,000 postcards. And guess what? When they get 1,000 postcards, you're going to be sitting in number 2. Number 2 on their postcards. Look at my sponsor here, the man, the myth, the legend, the Jose Green. Big shout out to Jose. Jose has shared some things with me about financial freedom and residual income, and he had made me a believer. I already knew about residual income, but working with Jose, dreams are turning into reality. I am telling you what, residual income, and y'all know my residual income program, American Bill Money. I tell everybody, if you ain't joined American Bill Money, you're missing the boat. But we'll talk about American Bill Money on another video. Let's keep it with these two programs here. It'sYourDecision.net. Greg has redesigned the postcard. Look at that postcard. Get paid $100 for every personal sign up that you get. Also another $100 when your personal sign up somebody. And then every time you bring somebody in, the monitor of the program is going to send you 250 free postcards. This is a direct mail done right. This is a beautiful 6x9 postcard, one of the biggest in the mailbox. How it works, folks. You're just going to fill out that information, mail it down to the admin. You're going to send 100 to the person in number 1, 100 the person in number 2. We'll make the money orders out to those people, and then you're going to mail it all to the monitor of the program. Let me make myself crystal clear. You're going to make it payable to this person and that person, and one for $2.99 to the monitor of the program. Mail it all into the monitor, and they're going to take care of the product shipment. Folks, dial that number. Go to the website, It'sYourDecision.net. Leave out the apostrophe in there. www.It'sYourDecision.net. Go and key that in. Leave out the apostrophe, and watch the video presentation. It's life-changing. Folks, this program can and will run red hot for the next few years to come. We've got something here, folks, that is absolutely astounding. And again, this is just the front side of the program and the massive leverage. You're getting 1,000 postcards. You bring in somebody, you're going to get another 250 postcards. And when that person that you bought in gets started, when they start mailing, you're going to be on another 1,000 postcards in position number 2. I am telling you what, let me calm down. The leverage is breathtaking. Let me leave it there. Folks, let's run over here real quick. Let's get on and talk about this guy here. This is My Automatic Pay. Let's talk about My Automatic Pay. My Automatic Pay, it's changing the game, the way we work from home. The My Automatic Pay program, it produces $200 to $800 per day some days. And folks, I had a day that was, my biggest day was $800, and I'm working for bigger days. Go to the website, it explains the program. It does all the telling, selling, and explaining for you so you never have to. Folks, this is simple. All you do is mail a postcard. The website does the selling, telling, explaining for you so you never have to. When you join, I'll hook you up with that postcard. Folks, we have 2 phenomenal systems here. You can join one or join the other, and you'll be off to the races. I got a box of 100 of the MAP program going out. Got some American Bill Money going out. I got some It'sYourDecision.net going out. Great things are happening. If you have any questions, folks, get a hold of me before we go into the Ruby Tuesdays. I felt compelled to get on camera. Folks, get involved and get to running, guys. Change your life for the better. Allow systems, email follow-up, postcard wealth, thousands of postcards with your name on it. And if you're out there looking at the stock market, guys, I used to trade cryptocurrency. I am a Forex trader. And folks, you know, you can be up 300 one day, down 5 the next. The volatility is big. But I never experienced financial freedom the way we're experiencing now. There's Liberty again. Smash out the like button, guys. Hit the like button. As I'm seeing now with simple simple postcard programs. Folks, it's stupid simple system. Pays you like magic all day long. www.dailygrewersincome.com. Folks, that's my time for today. Go ahead and hit the like button. We're getting ready to go into Ruby Tuesdays. Get in the comments. You can wish me a happy birthday. Let me know when is your birthday. When is your birthday? We'll help celebrate yours also. Well, that's my time for today, folks. Financial freedom straight ahead. No matter, you know, what your political affiliation, your race, your creed, no matter, folks, this system can and will work for you, no matter where you live at. We're out here in the beautiful state of North Carolina. This will work in Texas, Wyoming, Georgia, Massachusetts. It will work in South Carolina, Michigan. It will work in California, Oregon, Arizona, all over the country. This program can and will work for you. That's my time for today. Smash out the like button, and I'll see you at the top and on the next video.